Auto Profit Links. Hey everybody, how are you doing? This is Kieran Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Thanks for stopping by. Today I am reviewing Auto Profit Links. This is a newbie-friendly, no website needed, no emailing list. You can get free traffic with this system. So what it does basically is it taps into free traffic that blasts your links over the internet with just one click. It takes about 60 seconds to set up one of these links. And like I said, you don't need any videos. You don't need to be here making videos like me. And it's just a three-step process that we will get into and look at it a little bit further in my review here. Unfortunately, I don't have demo access, but I've got a lot of great bonuses that you're going to want to check out that are going to complement this Auto Profits links. This is done by Glenn Koski and his team. It is being launched on August 2nd at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. That is New York time. The front end is $17, but there's a lot of upsells that we can look at, and I've also got the links for those so you can check those out on your own time. There's a sales page that I'm going to show you in the link as well that you can also check out. But before we do that, guys, let me just take you over to my bonus page, and this is Kieran's amazing bonus bundle. So this is going to go down on August 5th at 11:59 p.m. So you've still got a fair amount of time. So you can see we've got 4 days almost exactly as I'm doing this, so you do have some extra time. So Auto Profit Links is a $379 plus online every day with the Auto Profit Links and 100% free traffic, as I did just discuss there previously. So some of the key benefits of Auto Profit Links are, like I said, it's 100%. That's a brand new system. Get free buyer traffic in 33 seconds. So I said it's a minute to set up, but when you're good at it, you can even do it in 33 seconds. Perfect for newbies or people that have had some experience in affiliate marketing. No experience needed though, might help, but it's not needed, or skills. So they're going to do all the training for you guys. There's also, I like this down at the bottom here that I'll get to, but beta users are using it and they're getting results. Software works on autopilot, so 24/7, 365. So when you're sleeping or you're working or you're just doing whatever, it is still generating leads for you. Okay, and 180 days, guys, money back guarantee. So you've got a lot of time to give this a real good rip. And if you don't like it, they're going to offer you a no hassle 180 days money back guarantee. But this is really cool. Get free results or get VIP one-on-one coaching. So even after 180 days, if you're not really getting the benefits that they claim that you should be, they're going to coach you. So even before that 180 days, you can still also get that coaching if you're not getting the results sooner. So like I said, zero prior skills, everything you need to know, get free buyer traffic, 100% done for you. System pays us daily as it's simple push button, simple 100% cloud-based app. So it doesn't matter if you have a Mac, a PC, phone, whatever you want, whatever media device you're using, it's going to work as it's on the cloud. Okay, step-by-step, $500 per day training included. Unlock the system. 7+ figure marketers use to maximize profits. No monthly fees. Proven method that works. So guys, here's the sales funnel. We'll get into that in a minute, but I want to show you my bonuses. These are all the upsells as well that we're going to get into. So guys, my first one, so we talk about free traffic. So I'm thinking, all right, well, how can I also help with the free traffic system? So this is going to tap into exclusively on YouTube. So you're going to be launching, promoting, doing posts on YouTube, and then people are going to go to your landing page, and with those pixels, you're going to forward them to the sales page. So it's going to really increase your traffic and your probability of sales as well. So this, in my opinion, complements Auto Profit Links very nicely. Also, guys, a 7-figure marketer's 3 favorite traffic sources. So a couple of these you probably wouldn't have thought would be such a highly regarded, highly touted traffic source, but this is from a guy who is crushing it in affiliate marketing. You might know who it is, but he talks about his 3 favorite traffic sources. So you're not going to want to miss that as well. And here's how you can write compelling headlines. So we are getting bombarded with a lot of different information on a daily basis. You need to have your content stand out. This is going to show you some tricks on how you can do that. And then by the people looking at your content, obviously you got a higher probability of making sales. Okay, and also guys, how to outrank your competitors on YouTube. This has some really tangible ways that you can get your SEO higher, get your overall look more polished, more professional. You can copy what some people are doing, and it's just got a lot of really useful information that I think you're going to benefit from, as a way of me saying thank you to you. If you want to use my links, if you decide that you want to get Auto Profits Pro, you're going to get all these bonuses, guys. Also, the vendor, Glenn Koski and his team, have provided a number of bonuses that we will look at in a minute. But I'm not done, guys. I've got more. Become a master of TikTok. So this is a guide that's going to show you everything from very simple to more advanced throughout TikTok. By the end of looking at this guide and all this material, you'll be like this guy, TikTok master, okay? So you're not going to want to miss that. Also, how to build inexpensive, high quality landing pages. So a landing page, that's how you are able to get your customers' email. You can put a sales page there, a squeeze page, a thank you page. It's going to show you how you can do this on a really low budget, and it still looks quality, okay? So this, I think, is also going to be very helpful for you. And finally, guys, $50 a day from your phone, all right? So we carry our phone everywhere. It's ubiquitous wherever we go. Why not turn that into your cash machine? It's going to show you some ways that you can do that as well, all right? You're not going to want to miss these bonuses, guys. So like I say, $4 to click, or excuse me, 4 days, just click on any of these bonuses, and it's going to take you to the sales page, which is going to look like this. And then you click on, they click on there, click on there to get auto profit links, and then it'll take you to Warrior Plus. You click on this blue button here, and then you can access all of my bonuses. It's going to look like this, guys, okay? So you're not going to want to miss that. So let's get into the bonus page, or excuse me, the sales page. So there's going to be a sales video in here. Sorry, this is it, guys. That was one of the upsells. Okay, so this is it here. There's going to be a sales video here. I'll have access to that in my description below. Also, you can look at this entire bonus page again in my description below. So we've gone into all the details about what the benefits of Auto Profits Pro are. This is a very lengthy sales page. I don't want to take you step by step through everything. You can check this out on the day of the launch, but it's a 3-step process. So you buy it, you activate it. It takes seconds to do, as we talked about, and then you profit and scale. So there's some proof here, guys. So $32,208 generated with auto profit links. You can see here some proof. Warrior Plus account. This is Glenn's Warrior Profits account right there. Here's some further proof. Weekly sales snapshots. So it's doing very well. Today he made almost 1,000. Yesterday he made almost 1,200. So beginners writing the first 24 hours. So 240, almost 500 yesterday. And here's some more. Beginner number 3, 590. Yesterday 378. So this is proof. These are case studies that are showing that it's working, guys. And look at this. This guy's crushing it. Beginner number 4, results in first 24 hours, 2,100 plus and 780, guys. Here are some testimonials. Now, you know Jason Fulton, he's a big time internet marketer, so he's giving it a lot of props. Taylor Nguyen, Roger Black, and Rob Teckers. So guys, you can read these on your own time. Let's get into some more. This is Glenn Koski here, the creator. This is a lot of stuff that I don't really want to bore you with. I want to show you some more of either testimonials, some case studies, and the bonuses, okay? So here's some more proof. Dale's sales dashboard today, 343. Yesterday, 2,700. Last 7 days, 2,900. Last 7 days, 7,900. That is great. That is great. That is enough money that you can change your life with right there on a monthly basis. Some more proof here, guys. So payment amount, you can see each day, and they've got it all blurred out here, but this is the payment amount Very nice. Here's some more testimonials. You can check these out. So look, today 214, today 746, and today almost 1,000. Oh my gosh. So we use this software to generate an income while we sleep, high ticket sales and low ticket sales. So you can link it up to variety and medium ticket sales, by the way. Completely newbie friendly, generate traffic to your profit links anywhere in the world, step-by-step training included, done for you campaigns, world-class support team, and guys, some more proof. Here we go. So look at all these commissions, 680, 453, 554, and so on. Here's some more Warrior Plus. Okay. And look here, guys. So in the 60 seconds flat, auto profit links can drive traffic to any link, website, or funnel. So you can go to Warrior Plus, ClickBank, JVZoo, Digistore 224, Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Max Bounty, or your own product. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we get into the bonus section in a minute here, guys. Some more testimonials, more proof. So 884, gross revenue 1,700, your earnings 432, 859, yesterday, just yesterday, one day ago. All right, so you get everything you need: auto profit link app, traffic generator, multiple done for you campaigns, step-by-step training, support team, and the 180-day guarantee. Plus, here's what I wanted to show you, the bonuses. So 69-second free commissions. You're going to get the $612 per day with viral traffic. The auto profit links commercial license. 4 million per day. 4 million per year, excuse me, VIP blueprint. All right, so you're getting a lot of extra value with this. So this is in more proof today, $1,528.31. The money back guarantee, okay. And we're almost at the bottom, guys. So you're getting a value of almost 15,000 from their end and over 2,000 from my end, guys. And there's just some frequently asked questions on the bottom. So is there a money back guarantee? Yes. Is beginner friendly? What are the extra costs? No, none of them if you act now. Is money making training included? Yes. Are there any monthly fees? No, not now, but in the future it will go up. And how do I lock in my discount? So just click the button. So like I say, guys, you click that, it'll take you to Warrior Plus. Click on that button, and then you get all of my extra bonuses as well, for me saying thank you to you. Okay. So guys, while we're here, let's go back and just look at some of the prices here. So here's the funnel. Okay, so the front end early bird is $17, and this will go up 10 cents every hour. It's not much, but hey, why not get it earlier, right? So the one-time offer at 67, downsell of 47. Upsell number 2 is done for you at 97, the downsell at 67. And the upsell number 3, unlimited traffic, 97 to 67. Upsell number 4 is the automation, again 67 down to 47. And upsell number 5, the ATM edition, 67, downsell 37. And the license rights, a 197, downsell of 97. All right, so guys, there's links that I'm going to leave in here for you that will take you directly to this sales page for each of these upsells. So if I just clicked on number 1, it's going to take you to here. Now I'm going to have all of this in my description below, guys, so don't worry, you can check this out on your own time, but I'm not going to go through all of those. There's about 10 of them, and this review would just be a little bit too long, so I'll let you do that. If you are interested in this, you're going to be first of all welcomed with a sales video. Okay, it's got some more proof here. Thank you, and talking about what you're going to get. So this upgrade, you're going to unlock the 1,000 times more buyer traffic, unlock unlimited campaigns, unlock unlimited commissions, the brand new money making upgrade, No monthly fees, scale to 4 figures a day. Again, you get the 180-day guarantee, premium support direct from the USA, additional money support, making features included, no annual or monthly fees, just a one-time investment, and our exact strategies that we're using to generate thousands per day. So look guys, we have today, that's great money. Yesterday, crazy money guys. So look at this. Subscriber stats, subscribers today, 24, subscribers yesterday, 83, subscribers today, 21. And this is all proofs in the pudding. So you're gonna get the unlimited edition, gets you 1,000 times more free buyer traffic, the extra traffic sources, the unlock limited accounts, unlock unlimited usage, unlock additional tutorials, $500 guarantee, guys. Okay, some more information there. So act now for 2 good reasons. I'll let you look at that. And then we've also got some extra bonuses, guys. The full-length video series, VIP training, the fast start guide. So you're getting a lot of additional value and training and campaigns and spreading of the links, guys. So a lot of value. Click that. It's going to take you to the Warrior Plus. You can still get my bonuses as well, guys. So, and the 180 days money back guarantee. So as you can see, there's a lot of these, but this upsell looks pretty good. So you can get 1,000 times more buyer traffic. So the more buyer traffic you have, the higher probability of sales, 1,000 times, and you're getting all those extra bonuses as well, guys. So you're gonna see that there are a lot of links here. So I'm just gonna leave them in here and you can check them out in my description below, okay? So Glenn Kosky, he's done a lot of great apps, him and his team. He's very highly regarded in the affiliate marketing space. Just to summarize, guys, so there's no experience necessary. Beta testers are proving that it works. I'm showing you proof in the sales pages that it does work. Software is always working for you, even if you are not working, you're taking a break, doing whatever. Private members community, and get results, or you will get one-on-one coaching. So really, guys, there is no way you can fail with this. You're going to get the one-on-one coaching. They're going to make sure that you follow what they have done to make those kind of sales, guys. And also, don't forget, you're going to get all of my traffic and all of my other things that you're going to love. YouTube, TikTok, writing compelling articles, landing pages, 3 traffic sources, and so on, guys. And make money from your phone. So this wraps up my review on Auto Profit Links. Like I said, it goes live on August 2nd, and my bonuses will stay up for about 3 days, so don't delay, or some of them might not be around. And I hope this was beneficial. I hope you learned a little bit about what Auto Profit Links can do for you. If so, please like, subscribe, and comment, and get this through my link, and I will be back very soon with some more great reviews and try to help you succeed. You can hit me up on Facebook or Instagram. The links will be down in my description as well. And as always, thanks for your time, and I'll talk to you soon. Kieran Guy Hogg, Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Thank you.